Hey folks, Evan here at Eldorado RV, and today we are going to have a look at this 2024 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 183RBW. Let's go check it out. Hey folks, here we are. So it is a beautiful, brisk day out here. I'm going to throw the specs up on the screen here and the floor plan as well so you can have a look at those. This thing comes in under 4,500 pounds GVWR and about 3,300 dry. So really, really light. SUV towable, great for solos or couples where you want to be short, light, and not sacrifice on space, because you do get a nice slide in this. So you get a full 4-person dinette, a big bathroom, walk around queen, but we'll check all that out in a minute. Right now, let's talk about what's new for 2024 on the outside. Out here, we've got a bigger awning than last year. We've got Rainier tires, still have a long warranty on those, still a good tire. This one has Goodyear endurances still, but that's just Jayco using up what's left of their stock because otherwise all the Goodyears just go in the garbage. We've got black wheels as opposed to the gunmetal color from last year. Also new for 2024, we got these nice blue decals. Now this one is equipped with the Fibreglass. As you might be able to see, we've also got the 13,500 BTU air conditioner. That is not standard, that's an option. Standard from the factory, you get a 5,000 BTU side air conditioner. Also up there, we've got 200 watts of solar. And this one is not a Baja, this is standard. However, there were some changes to the Baja. So they pulled that 30-gallon freshwater tank out of the Baja Edition. That is standard across the board. So no matter what SLX you get, what options you choose, you get 30 gallons of freshwater, except for the 154 BH. Then with the Baja, you still get all the regular stuff, the additional front stabilizer jacks, 30 pounds of propane, all that. But what's new with the Baja is Goodyear Duratec tires. You get a different wheel, you get a wide stance axle as opposed to the standard size axle, and you also get powder coated fender flares. That is a pullover from the J Feather Micro, and it makes sense to have it on something like this, kind of give it that rugged feeling that separates the Baja even more from the standard edition. Let's go inside, we'll talk about what's going on in there, then we'll come outside, do a walk around, that's it. Now that we're inside, you can see immediately to your left we have your controls. That's your lights, your awning, all the important stuff right there. Then here's a quick overview of the inside. We've got a new decor for 2024. We've got a stark white as opposed to the modern farmhouse from before, and then some really nice accents with this white shiplap wallboard. Looks great. Off to your right, as soon as you walk in the door, you've got this big walk-around queen bed. You get side tables right there, some cabinets up above the bed. So on the left side of the bed there, you've got a netted cabinet. That is where your side AC is typically mounted if you don't option the bigger air conditioner. However, we option the bigger one, so we get a net in there and we get some storage space. To the right of that, we've got these really nice cabinets, super deep. And then on the far right side, we have a closet for hanging. So you can hang clothes or whatever else. Some really nice storage there. Then beside the bed on those side tables there, we've got power on one side and USBs on both sides. Underneath the bed, there's access to that pass-through like we talked about outside. Then we've got your solar controller and a nice curtain here so that if you want to separate the bedroom from the rest of the unit, you can. If you do have someone sleeping in the dinette or you just want to close it off, feel cozy, you can do that. Now, off to the left, we have the dinette. So the dinette's on the slide, gives you so much space, and it doesn't have a ton of weight. You get a nice big window to let in a ton of light. We've got really comfortable high density foam cushions with this nice fabric that's actually really easy to clean. Your table does go into a bed, but before I show you that, I gotta show you the storage that's on both sides of the dinette underneath the seats. There is a ton of room in there. So you gotta pop the seat cushions off to access that, but you get a lot of room. Then your dinette goes into a bed. Then in the bathroom, we have this amazing vanity, a big countertop. We've got some power, a towel rod. We've got your on-demand water heater controls and a ton of storage. And you can see we've got hidden hinges in the cabinets now. That's new for 2024 and it looks great. They've done that across the board. And look at how deep this storage is. It's unbelievable. There is so much storage in this bathroom. Then we got your foot flush toilet and this massive shower. So it's a tub. You've got a reinforced floor. You get a skylight up top and some niches to put some stuff in. Really nice shower. This bathroom is awesome. It is not often that you get a sink in your bathroom when you're under, 20 feet inside. Now let's come back out and have a look at your kitchen. Okay, here we are looking at the kitchen. So we've got this nice sink, some power behind it. That's a GFCI outlet. we've got 12 volt like TV hookup there with your cable. You've got a 2-burner stove. Up top, we've got a cabinet, your microwave, and that range hood that vents outside. Then underneath, we have some big cabinets underneath the stove and the sink there. We've got your breaker box, all the important electrical stuff in there. Then we have this 8 cubic foot fridge. Humongous Furrion 12 volt fridge, tons of space in there. Then above the fridge, we've got your AM FM Bluetooth radio that controls your interior and exterior speakers. Beneath the fridge, we've got your furnace, and that about does it for the inside. Now let's go outside and let's finish this up by going around talking about what's going on outside. Starting up front, we've got an integrated A-frame, we've got room for 2 batteries, we've got a 20-pound propane tank, but you can get a 30-pounder with the Baja package. You've got a manual front jack. Now let's head to the other side. Okay, on this side here, you can see we've got the slide closed up. I'm gonna show you what it looks like open as well. This is what it looks like closed and then opened up. Now up front here, we've got your potable water connection, and that's it. Let's move along to the back side here and we'll talk about what's back there. Okay, so at the back here, we've got your bumper, we've got your spare tire, we've got a big Jayco logo, and up at the top is the shark fin mount for your Furrion backup camera. Then along the side, we've got your on-demand water heater, your city water connection, your cable input, and your shore power connection right there. Down below, we've got your gray and your black tank pulls for your sewer valve, and your 1 stabilizer jack there. Now we're back around the front. We've got this big awning. Down here, we've got your stabilizer jack, and we've got the propane quick connect back here for that griddle. We've got exterior speakers, a vented range hood, we've got your furnace over here, and we've got some power as well. Underneath the door, we got the Lippert solid steps as opposed to the flip out black steps before. These are standard now. And of course, we got to talk about your Magnum truss roof. So you get a 4,500 pound weight capacity on the roof with that Magnum truss system, and it is tongue and groove plywood and a 1-piece membrane, so it's fully walkable. You can get up there, check stuff out, and you don't have to worry about falling through your roof. And there we have it. That was a tour of the 2024 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 183RBW. Thank you so much for watching. If I missed something, if you want to see something, if you have questions, if you'd like to work with me, all of the information is in the description, and I'd love for you to leave a comment. Please give it a like, give it a share. It really helps out a lot. And again, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Evan out.